Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use the PNC Bank mobile app. Today, we'll explore its fantastic features and benefits to help you manage your banking with ease. First things first, let's download and install the PNC Bank mobile app. Simply head to your app store, search for PNC Bank, and hit install. Once the app is installed, open it to create your account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your banking profile. Now that you're set up, let's take a quick tour of the main dashboard. Here, you'll find quick access to all your favorite features. To view your account balances and recent transactions, simply tap on Accounts. This is where you can keep track of your spending effortlessly. Transferring money is easy. Just select Transfer Funds, choose your accounts, and input the amount. It's that simple. Did you know you can deposit checks via your smartphone? Select Mobile Deposit. Take a picture of your check and follow the prompts. PNC Bank's app comes with budgeting tools. Tap on Budgeting to set up your financial goals and track your spending. For enhanced security, configure app alerts and notifications under Settings. Stay informed about your account activity. And that's it. Use these tips to maximize your experience with the PNC Bank mobile app. Happy banking!